The S18 iPod style in-ear Bluetooth headset on Amazon is currently selling for roughly $50, but can a $50 Bluetooth headset really be any good? That's what we're gonna find out. Right off the bat, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, that my glasses are dirty. God damn it. Right off the bat, I'm gonna let you guys know that I was totally expecting you get what you pay for kind of thing here, but this Bluetooth headset actually really impressed me at this $50 price point. Hell, it would actually impress me even at like a $120 price point. Right out of the box, the charging case and the headset are aesthetically pleasing. There's multiple options for earbuds to change them out to fit your ear. The ones that came in the box happen to actually just fit me really well. They're very comfortable and they actually don't fall out very easily. Let me demonstrate. It takes quite a bit of effort to get these to fall out of your ear. The sound quality is really good when you're listening to music. There's actually even a decent amount of bass, which I was very surprised with at this price point. Even on phone calls when you're chatting with someone, the call quality is very, very clear. Specifically for phone calls, this is right up there with some of the best Bluetooth headsets that I've tried. There's 4 built-in mics in this thing, so that probably has something to do with why that voice quality is so good. This headset can be fully charged in 90 minutes, and they say that you'll get up to 40 hours of music listening time with that. Never actually tried that, I never would. I usually listen to music a couple hours at a time, and then I put them right back in the charging case. But after 2 hours of listening to music, I still have plenty of charge time left on that, so yeah, maybe it does last 40 hours. My favorite part is how easy it is to use the touch buttons. There's this little spot on the headset that you can clearly feel where it is, whereas with some headsets it's just there's nothing there. You just kind of gotta know where to press. It gets really annoying. So the buttons are super easy. If you hold down the left ear, volume goes down. If you hold down the right ear, volume goes up. If you tap once on the left or the right, you'll pause or play your music or video. And then if you double tap on the left, you can skip backwards. If you double tap on the right, you can skip forward. So super easy to use. You can pair these earbuds either separate or together, meaning you can be sitting on the couch with someone and listening to the same music. You have one in your ear, they have the other, or you can pair separately to your own cell phones and listen to completely different music. It's also IPX7 waterproof, so you can take this outside for a run in the rain. It can also handle your sweat for workouts and things like that. So totally something that you can use in all weather conditions. I'll have a link in the description if you guys want to purchase one for yourself. And next up, you should totally check out one of these 2 videos. It's going to change your life. And if you're into these short to the point videos, reviews on things I buy and try, then please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you're notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.